We've got some insane crypto news for you. Remember Sam Bankman-Fried, the one-time crypto kingpin? Well, he's guilty on all charges, and it's not just any charges, but 7 of them. That means over 110 years behind bars. Hit that like button if you're ready to know more. FTX, once a cryptocurrency powerhouse, crumbled into one of the biggest financial crimes in US history. Sam Bankman-Fried couldn't convince the jury that he didn't pull off some sneaky moves that shaded investors through the exchange. He tried his best to convince everyone that it was all about his ignorance, not his malice. But guess what? The jury's verdict him guilty as charged. It's the biggest drama the crypto world has ever seen. Everyone thought he'd walk free, but the platform's chaos didn't save him. The jury backed the prosecution. So, what do you think about this trial? Do you believe in his innocence? Or is he just another crypto mastermind turned crypto criminal? Comment below. Follow for more updates, and don't forget to like and share this video.